Hello everyone. Now we will study the AT command practical, in which we will perform the different operation and different test the different functionality using AT commands. So, as you may know, the AT commands are used to configure the mobile devices or telephone devices or test the different functionalities. So, AT stand for attention. So, this is the kit for our today's practical. This is a normal Android phone. This is a tri-band kit. It support the 1800, 1900 and 2100 frequency band. So in kit you can see this is a touchscreen display, which is have the pre-install the Android OS. This is the antenna which is connected outside for getting the internet connecting range, and this is SIM card slot, SD card slot, SIM card slot. These are the some switches. Okay. um, so in this practical also we have to also perform the fault practicals. So fault creation we have the different switches, switch fault for a mic and handset and user interface, switch fault for SIM, switch fault for SD card. Okay. So here we can see the two antenna sockets are given. One for a GSM, second is for GPS. So for now our practical GPS is it's okay, no need of GPS practical GPS antenna. So after starting the kit we will see like this. Okay. So you can see here this is normal, look like normal Android phone. You can operate by touch screen. Okay. Here is a one 3G terminal app is there, so we have to open that. So once we click on the app, you will see here terminal, but we will see the port open is fail. So for opening the port we need to reset the modem. Okay. Press the button. So once port is open, we can perform the normal AT command operations. Okay. So start with the ATI. So you can type here by using keypad. So once you type the ATI, you will see the information, display product identification information, like this kit is manufactured by Science Technology Private Limited, model number, revision, IMEI number, and all other details. Likewise, we have to enter the all ATI commands, like CGMI, and you can refer the manual for these commands. So by AT commands we can perform the different activity like sending the SMS, call particular number, receive the call, sending the SMS, receiving, reading the SMS text message. So now we'll go to next commands. So we have the, and every time we have to enter place the AT plus and then the command. So we'll enter the next command like AT plus CGMI. So that is command for briefcase manufacturer identification. So once we enter this command, you will see the manufacturer identification. So it will give the manufacturer name and the command, the command which you have entered, and the manufacturer name, and OK means command is successfully executed. Okay. So next we will perform the next command, CGMM, AT plus CGMM. Once we type the command, send it. So it will replace a model identification. So it will identify the all successfully identified the model. Next command is CGMR. For this command you can refer the user manual of this kit. You will get the brief idea about this. So this command is for revision identification. So revision of this model and kit. Next command is for serial number of this kit, CGSN, AT plus CGSN. Okay. So you will get the serial number of this model. You can see it. And these are the basic commands which will not require any SIM card or any network availability. Now we'll perform the call receiving and call answering uh, call call disconnecting activities. So for that we need to insert the SIM which we have already insert, and on this number we have to make a call. So I am dialing the this number. Once I dial number, it will ring. It will ringing. So for answering this call, we have ATA command. Okay. So type ATA command and enter. So I have entered the ATA command. You can see here the voice call is begin. So call is beginning. Okay. So call is running. So this is the call activated command. So I have answered the call. And if there is no call, suppose if I just cut the call, if there is no call, so I have cut the call, so there is display no carrier. So if there is no call, no incoming call is coming, and still I send this command, so no carrier will disappear, no carrier. So because due to no incoming call is there. Okay. So once I'll dial again this number. You can answer this number by ATA. So voice call is beginning. So for and this is a call beginning process. If you want to disconnect from here AT command, so first we need to configure the disconnect command. So AT plus CVHU equals to 0. CHHU equals to 0. Okay. Okay. Then ATH to disconnect the existing call. Call is disconnected. By ATH command we can disconnect the call. So likewise we have to perform the different AT commands and check the response of these commands. And while performing this practical, we have entered the too many commands. You can see here. So for document purpose, you can take these commands and the output of this by using the save log button. If you save this, press this button, it will ask you the name of file. I have entered the name and press yes. So it has saved to the location logs. So these logs you can also copy it in your PDF from file manager. So likewise we have to perform the AT command practical. For general overview you can see some example and syntax for AT commands, and also you can refer the manual for this. Okay, thank you so much.